Okay, hi guys, it's me again. Today we're gonna be talking about virtualization. Everyone of us knew what's virtualization, but don't worry if you don't know and new this channel. Don't worry, I gonna be cover that. So today we're gonna be talking about virtualization. What's virtualization? And how we can do virtualization, and what's the top of the virtualization, and what's benefit of the virtualization. That is our goal. If you new this channel, please click like, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe. This is my new channel. Yeah, I moved away. So today we're gonna be talking about virtualization. Virtualization. There are a lot of virtual boxes or virtual machines out there. So today we're talking about two virtual machines. There are a lot of virtual box, VMware, vSphere, virtual server. There are a lot, but today we're gonna be talking about especially Oracle, VMware, Virtual Box. So this our new channel. So VirtualBox. First it was VirtualBox. VirtualBox is used in a machine. It's using the first thing. Though the first thing that happens, or that comes on your mind when you hear virtual is what the fuck? What's virtual? What's the virtual machine? So here we are. Virtual machine is using a machine inside a machine. So for example, I'm using a Windows 10, but I'm using here Linux, Windows XP, Metasploit, Red Hat, Ubuntu, and blah 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 blah. So just like that, you using machines inside machines, operating system inside operating system. And congratulations, everything that's done here doesn't come damage to your main machine. So don't worry, I'm gonna cover everything you need about this virtualization. Firstly, the question is how you can get the virtual machine. Okay, you can get it from anywhere. Just go to your internet and type virtual box. Yeah, when you just type virtual box, you will get the visual side of virtual box. So when we click the virtual box, the mainstream, so you click download. On when you click, you can be choosing three options here. VirtualBox platforms. If you using a Windows, you can click the upper one. If you using a OS or Apple or Mac, you can click the middle one. If you using a Linux distributions, you can click that one. So for example, I'm using a Windows host, so I'm clicking, and developer is gonna capture the magnet. So I just click it. So I've already downloaded it. I don't want to download him again. So I want to download him. When you just download it, just the first thing that you're gonna be doing is go to your downloads. My download is gonna be going to downloads. And then when you go to downloads, then go to programs. Then you can get there. But me, I have already downloaded. Just click next. You can download it wherever you located. So when you click it, so here you are the virtual box. Yes, the virtual box. You come with a new one. So when you come on pop up with a virtual box, there are a lot of things are coming on your mind. So what's how I can do this? A lot of stuff in there. First, you can if you wanna preferences, you can go file and click preferences. You can go whatever you can get whatever you need in the configuration tool. So display. So that is all what I have today. Thank you for